Hello everyone, this is me Avishka, and the bulletin today starts with Rajasthan hosts Rising Rajasthan Summit to attract global investment. We have Jeff Bezos, who dedicates 95% of his time to AI at Amazon. India Resurgence funds invest rupees 1000 crore in Anthea Aromatics. AI cameras save elephants herd from train collision in Odisha. Apple faces $1.2 billion lawsuit over CSAM detection policy. We have Google, which challenges CFPB's supervision of payment services. Future of work, AI analytics and hybrid models dominate trends. Now, in the previous quiz, we asked you which company owns Android. The answer is Google. It's time for a daily tech quiz. Here's today's question. What is the AI assistant of Microsoft? Confident you've got the answer? Drop your guess in the comments below and tune in to tomorrow's news bulletin to find out if you've nailed it. Stay tuned. Let's start with the first news. The Rising Rajasthan Global Investment Summit 2024 commenced today in Jaipur, drawing global investors and policymakers to explore opportunities in the state's key sector. This three-day event, inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, aims to secure over Rs 12.5 lakh crore in investment. Key sessions focus on renewable energy, digital transformation, and inclusive tourism. Notably, Rajasthan showcased its leadership in renewable energy by powering the event's opening day with solar energy, underscoring its vision for energy self-reliance by 2027. The summit also highlights innovation in agriculture, sustainable mining, and Industry 4.0 transformation with the aim of positioning Rajasthan as a hub for innovation and sustainable development. Government initiatives have already attracted proposals from international investors across countries like Japan, UAE, and Singapore, strengthening Rajasthan's global appeal as an investment destination. Now we have Jeff Bezos, who has intensified his focus on AI initiative at Amazon, devoting 95% of his time to projects like multimodal AI model and super powerful computers. The tech giant is collaborating with Anthropic to enhance its AI capabilities. Competing with rivals like Google and Microsoft, Bezos will be stepping down as CEO in 2021, remains Amazon's executive chairman, actively guiding AI strategies. His involvement underscores Amazon's commitment to becoming leader in AI with over 1,000 AI applications under development. Bezos' return mirrors a trend among tech leaders prioritizing AI innovation. Then we have India Resurgence Fund, a joint group venture between Piramal Group and Bain Capital, which will invest up to Rs 1,000 crore in Anthea Aromatics Private Limited for a controlling stake. The deal includes Rs 270 crore in primary funding, with the remainder being secondary. According to sources, ICICI Ventures and other non-promoter shareholders are divesting into stakes as a part of its transaction. This move is expected to bolster Anthea's aromatics operations, which specialize in the production of specialty chemicals. The investment aligns with India's Resurgent Fund strategy to targeting high-growth companies to create value across diverse sectors. Now, an AI-based thermal camera system prevented a train collision with a herd of 28 elephants near Badhamunda Barsuan track in Rourkela, Odisha. The system detected the herd at 7 p.m. on Saturday, alerting the Forest Department and railway authorities. Prompt coordination delayed a goods train by 30 minutes, allowing the elephants to cross safely. The AI camera's 360-degree view ensured the entire herd moved to safety. The elephants frequently traverse between the Sana Parbat Reserve Forest and Tainsar under the Panposh Range. The incident highlights the role of technology in mitigating human-wildlife conflict. Then we have Apple, which is facing a $1.2 billion lawsuit in the US for discontinuing its 2022 plan to detect child sexual abuse material on iCloud. Filed by a 27-year-old victim, the lawsuit claims Apple's actions allowed abuse images to circulate. Apple shelved the CSAM scanning initiative, citing privacy concerns, sparking debate over balancing user privacy with child safety. The case seeks compensation for 2,680 victims, demanding accountability from the tech giant. While growing scrutiny of tech companies' ethical responsibilities, the outcome could shape industry practices in combating illegal content while protecting user rights. Now we have Google Payment Corporation, which is contesting a Consumer Financial Protection Bureau order, placing it under federal supervision. The CFPB claims Google meets the criteria for oversight despite discontinuing its US Google Pay app. Google argues the decision is based on unsubstantiated complaints about a defunct product, labeling the move as lacking common sense. The Biden administration has highlighted scrutiny of Silicon Valley's financial services, pushing regulation treating tech firms like banks. While the CFPB has not accused Google of wrongdoing, the case highlights tension over regulating digital payment platform and tech giants. Now, the fourth edition of the Future of Work report by Indeed and NASSCOM highlights transformative trends in jobs and workplaces. AI, analytics, and cloud are reshaping job roles, with top demand roles including AI and ML experts, data scientists, and cybersecurity specialists. Gen AI adoption has surged, aiding recruitment, content creation, and skill development. Hybrid work model remain dominant, while gig roles gain traction, with 35% of the workplace open to freelancing. Organizations are focusing on upskilling to prepare employees for evolving roles, reflecting a tech-driven shift towards a more adaptive and dynamic work environment. This was it for today's tech news. Make sure you follow IT Voice for more such tech updates.